This online course is taught by International Tutor Galina Kofod, who uses her own unique techniques to create stylish leather flowers. In this video tutorial, Galina helps you make a beautiful hydrangea. Even though this will be a leather flower, it perfectly captures the pure beauty of nature. In detail, we will tell you what materials and tools you need to make this fan favourite flower. We will pay particular attention on how to give leather desired shades and colours. Galina will show you how to make a pattern of the flower using a real hydrangea. Galina will introduce you to her innovative technique to make stamens with hard stems. By making this French Hydrengea, you will learn the main techniques of flower making with leather. Galina will tell you which type of leather is better for making flowers and what you need to do so a leather flower holds its shape. In this video tutorial, she will show you how to work with flower making tools and assemble your creation. As a special bonus, when you buy this video lesson, you will receive a fully illustrated tutorial to deepen your understanding. You will be able to make your own stunning leather French Hydrengea by purchasing this video tutorial on Galina's website or on her Etsy shop.